What's up guys, Saf Ashrafi, and today we are going to be reviewing the AKG Y500 Bluetooth headphones. So let's get straight into the video. Let's talk about what comes inside the actual box first. So we get of course the AKG headphones. We get a micro USB cable. Sadly we couldn't move to USB-C, but oh well. We get a micro USB cable. We also get a 3.5 to 2.5 millimeter headphone jack cable. Not a lot of companies do have headphone jacks on their phones anymore, but we do have a headphone jack cable that also has the microphone that is supposed to be used with the headphones, but it also does have a mic on the headphones, so that won't be a problem. However, I have noted that the actual headphones supplied with the cable sound much better than the ones with the headphones, so that's something to keep in mind. We also get the carry case for the headphones, which do feel quite nice. It's like a hard fabric on the outside and a very soft fabric on the inside. You have more than enough space to fit your headphones and the cables in, and you won't be getting any damage as the inside is quite soft, as I have mentioned. So the accessories that come in a box, the selection is quite solid. Let's talk about the design now. So the design altogether is really quite clean. I've got the black version here, and honestly I really like it. It is quite small and can fold, which means it will fit easily in your bag, in your, maybe even if you have a very big pocket on your jacket, it will fit there. But altogether these do turn quite small. We also see the nice matte black finish, like a nice shiny matte. Shiny matte, is that a thing? We see a nice shiny matte glossy finish on the outside. I don't even know, but like, yeah, we see nice matte on the outside and does not catch fingerprints at all. We have slight AKG branding. We also have a nice silver strip around the actual headphones, and altogether it is nice, made out of metal and plastic. These are quite flexible, so you won't be breaking them anytime soon. I would not recommend to wear these in a workout. However, you can if you want. The sweat will not damage these headphones. But I have noticed when on the treadmill you hear like a thumping sound. I don't know if that's me, it's just when you are running or something. But yeah, these headphones design-wise are really quite good. They are also adjustable, so depending on your head size, these will fit just fine. One thing to note though, the actual padding on the top of the headphone isn't amazing. Last year's AKG Y50BT headphones did have some nicer padding at the top. The padding has went down a level this year, but however it won't be that noticeable as the overall cushions that go on the ear are really soft. As you guys might have already seen, these are on-ear headphones. These are not over-ear headphones. So you might feel a bit of discomfort when listening to music for, I guess, over 2 to 3 hours. But apart from that, yeah, these feel very nice. On the headphones, we have the micro USB port. We have an LED light. We have the active noise cancellation button, I guess I can call it, but I'll explain that in further detail a bit later. We've got the on-off switch. We've got the mic. We've got the 2.5mm jack, pause and play button, and volume rocker, so volume up and down. So that's what you get on the headphones. So let's talk about the sound of these headphones. So the sound altogether is really good for the price. These have a lot of bass. You can hear the bass really clearly. You can hear the vocals really clearly. Altogether, these headphones are a really solid option for music. Like I said before, a long listening times might you might feel some discomfort in your, like, on your ear, because as you can see, these are over-ear headphones. However, sound altogether, these headphones sound really good. If you like bass, you will not be disappointed. However, if you are not on the bassy side, you like hearing the vocals, highs, mids, you can adjust them in your phone settings. However, these sound really good. We also have the active noise cancellation feature, which I'm gonna call it, which is basically when you wear the headphones and you press the button on the right headphone, then you hear a sound and then everything around you sort of amplifies, as there is a mic on the headphones. So if you are in like a group and you want to listen to your music but at the same time listen to what your friends and family are talking about, you can press this button and you'll be able to hear everything loud and clear. Some additional features include these headphones. When you take them off, they actually pause the music, and when you put them back on, they start playing the music. However, I should note that these headphones, when you do take them off, there is like a 2-3 second delay on when the music will pause on your smartphone, which means you might miss a little bit, but I guess 2-3 seconds is not a lot. But yeah, there is a little bit of delay when you take these actual headphones off. So battery life. These headphones are marketed as 33 hours capable, so you do not have to charge them in 33 hours, which I cannot disagree with. These headphones last a long time. Also, you have the quick charge feature, I'm going to call it as well, which means if you charge it for about 5 minutes, you get 1 hour of playtime. That's amazing. So altogether, battery life is also once again solid on these amazing pair of AKG headphones. So just to round up everything, these headphones sound amazing, design also clean and fresh. The battery life is also going to be solid. You won't be complaining about any of these three. So yeah, these headphones are a solid buy. If you would like to buy these, click in the description, like and subscribe. Safash. Peace.